Welcome back. Today we have a short video on beginner's guide to increase your PC speed in just 4 steps. Because this is a beginner guide, we are going to start with the most basic step. We are going to check all our pending Windows updates from the settings. Let's go. To check for your pending updates, open Start menu and type in Updates. From the menu, select Check for Updates. This will open up Windows Update setting. In this, look for any pending updates and download and install them all. Once done, you're good to go. You know the times when you start up your PC and it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to start up? Well, this is where our next step comes in. We are going to turn off all the apps that start up when your PC boots up. For this, open up Task Manager from your Start menu. Once opened, on the left hand side, select Startup Apps. Go through the list and look at the apps that you don't need when you start your PC up. Disabling of these apps won't uninstall these apps but rather would stop them from opening up when you start your PC. Just right click on those apps and click disable. You can also click on those apps and go on the top right corner and click disable. For the third step, we are going to clear out some of the storage from your computer. Because a lot of times when you have less storage on your PC starts lagging or boots up slowly. So this is where we are going to uninstall the unwanted apps from your computer. For that, first up, open up the Start menu and search for Add and Remove Apps. Open the file. Once the list of apps is loaded, go through the list and find the apps you don't need. When you find a such app, click on the three dots and click Uninstall. Once done, the app will be removed. Last but not the least, we are going to delete all the temporary files from your PC. These files accumulate over the time as you use different apps in your PC. To clear these temporary files, open Start menu and search Run. In the text box that opens up, type %temp% and hit enter. This will open up a folder which contains all your temporary files. Just hit Ctrl A, which will select all these files and click delete. Some of these files won't be removed, but that's fine. Just click skip and move on. Now close the folder and you're done. This was just a quick and short video. I hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming up. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.